welcome to Hundo Challenge. Listen, a lot of you have been fasting, a lot of you are busy, but here is something that might help your physical and mental health, the 1 minute press ups. Now this is a tutorial on different ways to do it. It's not all about winning. For the first one, we'll do 15 seconds on our knees if you're struggling, so let's go.
$15 seconds.
Right. Number 2, we'll do slightly more. Keep it inclined. This is slightly easier as well. For 15 seconds, we'll go.
$15 seconds.
Right. Now we'll go for normal.
$15 seconds.
Now, for those of you who want to try a bit extra, we'll go for the decline.
$15 seconds.
There you have it. That's the 1 minute challenge. We've got 4 variations. Choose which one is best for you. You stay cool, you stay safe, stay Hundo.